Let's build a simple NIC calculator in Excel using the latest 2025-2026 UK rates. National insurance contributions help fund pensions and state benefits. Class 1 NICs apply to most employees. Start with a simple payroll table showing gross pay for each employee. As we enter the NIC thresholds, you can get the free template in my PAYE store. Links are below in the description box. These are the monthly thresholds and the rates for the 2025-2026 tax year. The employer rate is now 15%. This calculates 8% on pay above £1,048 for each employee. Employer NIC is 15% on all pay above £417. This is a business cost, not a deduction. So as salaries rise, both employee and employer NICs increase. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please don't forget to grab your free NIC calculator template below. If you are interested in getting the full Excel payroll register, you can find that in my PAYE store. Thank you for watching.